Every week here at the firm, I get calls asking me, can I file a restraining order against my neighbor? A protection order, also known as a restraining order, is a legal mechanism that can be used to prevent further harassment, threats, or violence between two parties. In Kansas, there are two common forms of protection orders: protection from abuse, or PFAs, and protection from stalking, or PFS, orders. In the context of neighbors, you can only seek a PFS. That's because a PFA requires you have a current or former domestic relationship with the person, live with the person, or share a child in common with them. If you feel unsafe due to actions, physical threats, verbal harassment, or other forms of intimidation, you can petition the court for a protection from stalking order. When filing a PFS, a court can grant two types of protection orders: either a temporary restraining order, which is issued immediately to provide urgent protection, or a permanent restraining order, which can be granted by the court after hearing both parties present their evidence and provide their testimony. In a neighbor dispute, it's important to demonstrate that the behavior is ongoing and harmful. Isolated incidents might not be enough. It's also very important to understand that the legal requirements of stalking for a PFS are very different than what the average person thinks about when they hear that term. If you're considering seeking a protection order against your neighbor, you should first consult an attorney. Even if the situation calls for legal action, there may be other kinds of action that should be taken rather than filing a PFS. That's because a restraining order doesn't resolve all underlying issues, like a property dispute or nuisances. If those are your types of issues, you might need to pursue other civil action. If a PFS is the appropriate legal action, consult with an attorney to ensure your petition is as strong as possible prior to filing and to help navigate any complexities within your case. Call our office today. We're here to help.